Missed.
DNA replication in cell cycle, synthetic phase, because synthesis हो रहा है, so synthetic phase. How many proliferators in the cell cycle? 4. DEAB. Proliferators 4. DEAB. What is the size? Kinases 4221. हमने यही याद किया है ना? DEAB 4221. DEAB 4221. This is what we have learned for the proliferators. बेटा, who is the governor of cell cycle? RB gene. इसमें गलती नहीं करना. Two things, governor and guardian. बेटा, गवर्नर रिजर्व बैंक में होता है ना, रिजर्व बैंक ऑफ इंडिया में, तो आरबी. गवर्नर इज आरबी एंड गार्जियन इज P53. What is the gene responsible for retinoblastoma? RB gene. What is the tumor which will happen with P53? That is Li-Fraumeni syndrome. सेल साइकिल का बेटा अगर मोस्ट रेडियो सेंसिटिव फेज पूछा है, सेंसिटिव, इट विल बिकम G2M. बट अगर रेजिस्टेंट पूछा है तो इट विल बिकम G1S. देखो बेटा, उल्टा है ये. सेंसिटिव में S आता है तो S वाला फेज नहीं होगा. सेंसिटिव विल बी M and resistant will be S. Okay. Now, mnemonic for autosomal recessive, autosomal dominant, X-linked recessive, and X-linked dominant has been shared in your groups. I'll not be sharing them here because it will take a little more time. You can just, my request to you, just go through those mnemonics, okay? Because there might be a question which will come. Learn those mnemonics. So this is about the general pathology. From hematology, beta, most common leukemia in children is ALL. और बच्चे होते हैं ना बेटा, children are बच्चे, so B type of ALL. Most common leukemia in children, B type of ALL. इसी में अगर adults पूछ लें तो बेटा वो CLL हो जाएगा. So बच्चे ALL, adults CLL. One more question, what is the type of leukemia which will never be arising after radiation? It is CLL. तो CLL में दो ही चीज याद रखोगे तो भी काफी है. It is the most common leukemia in adults and never arise after radiation. ALL, it is the most common leukemia in children. AML में बेटा, AML most characteristic feature of AML is OR rod. OR rod, अगर OR rod दिख गया तो इसका मतलब वो AML है और कुछ नहीं हो सकता. It cannot be anything else. Gum infiltration in AML, it is M4 M5. Gum infiltration M4 M5. Down syndrome M7. Then we move to CML. बेटा, CML के अंदर क्या याद रखना है आपको? Philadelphia chromosome. CML, Philadelphia chromosome and garden party appearance. Burkitt's lymphoma, translocation क्या है बेटा? Most common 814. B for Burkitt, तो 8 आएगा पहले. 8 looks like B. So translocation is 814. दूसरी चीज, what is the most common gene responsible for Burkitt? हमने याद किया है c-Myc. Burkitt c-Myc. 814 c-Myc. And third thing, कैसी appearance मिलती है? Starry sky appearance. What is the most common type of Hodgkin's lymphoma? It is nodular sclerosis overall. But India में सब कुछ mix होता है, so mixed cellularity. In India, it is mixed cellularity. Overall, it is nodular sclerosis. Marker for Hodgkin's lymphoma, 15 and 30. Marker for Hodgkin's lymphoma, classical Hodgkin's lymphoma, 15 and 30. Most characteristic finding of Hodgkin's lymphoma, Reed-Sternberg cell. Nodular sclerosis में कैसा दिखेगा बेटा Reed-Sternberg cell? It is gonna be nodular sclerosis के अंदर कैसा दिखता है? Lacunar.
Wish you all the best from entire Miss family.